guys, I am Jessica. Today we are here in Vancouver Christmas Market. So come, let's check it out.
So that is a barbecue sauce made from whole BC cherries.
Okay.
So all of our sauces are made using fresh fruit. Every sauce contains
It tastes really good. Today we have hot chocolate with a lot of marshmallows and whipped cream on it. So I'll try. It tastes so good. You guys should go and check Chocolate House for sure, for sure. It's really, really good. Oh, nice. Have a look at it, guys. Today we have borscht soup. It is a Russian soup. So now I will try it for my first time. Yum! It's really tasty. It describes taste of every vegetables, the beet, cabbage, onion, carrot. Yeah. Yeah. Moreover, it's really good in this cold weather. No, I'm freezing. So now I have hurricane potatoes and croffle, which is made from waffle and croissant. So now I'll try it out. That's so nice. It is like potatoes, obviously. And yeah, it's a little bit crispy, crunchy. Yeah, I really like it. My hands are so cold. It's yummy. Seriously, it's yummy. I like this Nutella drizzle really much. Thank you for watching my visit to Vancouver Christmas Market. So today I had a lot of fun with my colleagues. Today I had shopping, I had a lot of food, I had hot chocolate, truffle, waffles, and soups and a lot of other stuff that was so good. And now I am full and it's really cold, I'm freezing. I had shopping, I had a lot of pictures, cute ones. So if you also want to enjoy this place, come visit. This is in Vancouver downtown. It's a Vancouver Christmas Market. Also, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe our channel on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. So see you next time. Bye! Hi guys, I'm Jessica. Today we are here in the Christmas... Again.
Vancouver Christmas Market.
Sorry, again. Vancouver Christmas Market, okay. Thanks. Bye! See you next Friday. Next Friday? Sorry, I forgot what to say.
Next time, yeah.
See you next time.
Okay.
Have a good night.